Hi, so I'll be solving this activity. So I'll read it to you first. Given the right triangle ABC, see figure below, if the length of AC is equal to 4 units and the length of CB is equal to 9 units, find the length of AB. Hint, use the Pythagorean theorem. So you have here a right triangle because you're supposed to use the Pythagorean theorem. So AC is 4 and CB is 9. So for your Pythagorean theorem, it should be c squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. So c squared is just your hypotenuse. So this should be your hypotenuse. That's the longest side of your right triangle. So in your figure, the hypotenuse is AB. So you can also rewrite this as AB squared is equal to, so I wrote here x squared because I'm referring to this horizontal segment. So it's like your x axis for Cartesian plane. So that's line segment CB. So you can write here x is equal to CB. And then y is your y in the Cartesian plane. That's the vertical line segment. So it's also equal to your AC. And then you can now solve for your AB. So let's write here AC. So now you can substitute your values. CB is 9, AC is 4. So AB squared is equal to 9 squared is 81. And 4 squared is 16. So AB squared is equal to 81 plus 16 is 97. So taking the square root of both sides, so we should have here the square root of AB squared is equal to the square root of 97. So your square root will cancel out. AB is equal to the square root of 97. Or that's 9.85. And don't forget your unit. That's it. Bye.